Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So today we are going to make some slime. So my ingredients are there, so I'm gonna get it. So you're only gonna use two ingredients, which is glue and some activator. You can use detergent, borax, or contact lens solution. You have three choices. So let's do this. Oh my gosh. Good. Okay, so first that you're going to put is the glue. Also, you need some bowl and some. You can use spoon or just stick. Okay, so gonna put how much glue you how much glue you want. That's good, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna just make small slime because this is just my second slime. I don't want it to fail. So yeah, actually, here's my first slime. It's pretty small, so sorry about that. Here's it. Now, I'm gonna get some water and then I'm gonna put it. So now you guys, I put the, we call this, the water. And then I'm gonna mix it now. And then I'm gonna put some coloring, so I'm gonna use food coloring, which is color red. Actually, I'm just gonna make pink because I'm just gonna put one drop. And it's gone. And then you are going to mix it. So it's like hot pink. And after you mix it for a few minutes, you're gonna put your detergent. Okay, just put a little bit at a time. Oh my gosh, it's actually really fast to activate. Because other times I activate this really so pretty much water, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. Now here is, oh my gosh, this it's like a potty. But oh my gosh, you guys, this is actually pretty cool. So I'm gonna mix my 1 day slime and my new slime. So oh my goodness. Right, purple and pink. Let's see. I think pink is gonna win. So, guys, leave down in the comments if you want me to do another slime. And then make sure to subscribe and like this video.